Hello, hello, hello. How are you all? I know everyone is fine and you guys are very much distracted because of me. I know that I'm gonna disturb you one more time. Before going there, let me know you can hear me. I wanna disturb you, so I would love to disturb you with full of my potential. Okay, so let me know you guys can hear me perfectly, clearly. I can't stop myself without telling the story over here. This is a very nice. I mean, what a price action, man! What a price action! Just can't stop myself without talking about this. So please let me know that you can hear me. Then I will talk about the price action over here. Yeah. In the meantime, sound is good. Hey, Bamsi. Good morning, good evening, everything. Hans, how are you, brother? Obinabo, thank you, brother. I'm just gonna talk about the price action first because I don't know when electricity will go. I really don't know. First thing first, I would like to come here. I would like to mark this low. Okay, this low. Remember, this is the low, and I will mark it as my sell side liquidity. Okay, look over here. If you have already watched my uploaded video from Twitter, it has taken the sell side liquidity. This is the breakaway gap, and this is the first fair value gap. You can see the first fair value gap. That is the first fair value gap. That should come here, then leave the area. Okay, that's why I marked both of them. But when you will take your entry, will you target this? No, that shouldn't be your target. This sell side liquidity, and let me go over here. Look over here. This is relatively equal lows. Okay, so price when price after 9:30, this was 9:30. This specifically this candle was 9:30 candle. Okay, after this candle, price came lower. It came here. Did I do anything? No, I did nothing. Price went higher. I was thinking that market will go higher. It will take this buy side liquidity. It will take this buy side liquidity, then it will trade this fair value gap. That was my thinking, to be honest, brother. Today is Friday. We don't have any directional bias. Nothing. We only know price will be inside the Sunday to Thursday realms. Okay, that is only thing we know about Friday. We have no directional bias. I was thinking price will go over there. So what should price do first? It has to break the consequent encroachment. Nobody can close below the consequent encroachment. It has to close above the consequent encroachment. That is the sign that market will go higher. Did I get any sign over there? No, I didn't get. Price came here, made the equal lows. When price was just falling, I was marking it has taken sell side liquidity. It has taken sell side liquidity. Why? Because I was thinking it will take some sell side liquidity, then it will give me a very nice market structure shape with a fair value gap. I will take entry over there. This will be my target. That is why I was marking sell side liquidity. When price came here and started to go higher, there was no clean market structure shape, nothing. Okay, it's not clean, nothing. In that moment I went here, I came here and I marked this low and I saw it has made the relatively equal lows. Okay, so when I have seen this relatively equal lows and price has started to go higher, I forget about telling I'm taking buy. I am not interested to take buy. Why? I saw this sell side liquidity. Okay, so let me use the reply mode. That will be easier for me to talk about. So I saw price came here, make the equal lows. There is a liquidity. It started to go higher. In that case, I was thinking if market don't close above the consequent encroachment, then only then I will think about this. Is it well known to you guys? Did I talk about it any? I mean, ever did I talk about this? Tell me. This is the this was the thinking. What do you need over here? Where will be your entry? There will be your entry. Your stop loss will be to the top of the highest high, okay, and your target will be the sell side liquidity. Now I'm just gonna close this one because I never talk about this, so that should be very new for you, right? I got my sell side liquidity. Is that clean? In my opinion, that is the cleanest sell side liquidity. Where did price came? The consequent encroachment. What do you need? The rejection from there, from here, okay? So I got the rejection. Was there any curve? You know what does it mean? Curve. There was no curve. Price came, started to go higher. What I was thinking, it has made this sell side liquidity. If it failed to close above the consequent encroachment, then that would be another rejection from the consequent encroachment. Wow, what a nice, I mean, nice run over there, right? So, what did the very second candle went there? Okay, I'm not interested. Now look over here. Is that a curve? In my opinion, that is a curve. You can take your entry over there. Is it, I mean, very clean curve? No, not very clean, but it's a curve. Price came here, tap to the lower part, then again go lower, go higher again. So you can take your entry over there depending on the on that, okay? So something like this. Where should be your stop loss? There should be your stop loss. This is the highest high. Why that would be your stop loss? Because that is the highest high. Now, where did I put my stop loss? I put my stop loss over there. Why I did it? And where was my target? My target was this low. That was my target. Why I put my stop loss over there? When this thing happened, I saw it's inside the macro. Okay, I didn't notice that it was inside the macro before. Now let me actually talk about the macro as well. Okay, so Amma, Liata phone দাও তো. So price came here. This is the macro. Macro started. Price was going higher, higher, higher. Where did it go? Here. What it has done actually? It has taken the buy side liquidity. Anybody has any complaint about this? আমার তাড়াতাড়ি ফোন দাও দি বারবার খালি মেসেজ দিচ্ছে বিরক্তিকর sorry I'm sorry sorry guys uh so it has taken the buy side liquidity. After that I got this market structure shift. Is it market structure shift? Do you think this is market structure shift? Is it valid as a market structure shift? What do you think? Is this valid market structure shift? I think this is valid market structure shift. In my opinion, this is valid market structure shift. Okay. Now, is there any fair value gap? I'm talking about the macro entry now. Is there any valid fair value gap? Yeah, brother, you have a very nice market. I mean, valid fair value gap. So that would be your fair value gap. So if you don't take the fair value gap entry, then if you would like to take the what to say, the macro entry, in that case, that would be your setup. This should be your setup. I mean 20 handle, right? Something like here. So that should be your entry. Your stop loss will be above that high. Why did I put my stop loss above there? What was the reason? I think I put my stop loss over here somewhere. I don't remember. But why I did it over there? Because I saw two-time rejection, and when it is two-time rejection, there is low probability to go to the order block. I mean, price can go to the order block opening, but there's, I mean, very rarely it will go to the mean threshold of the order block. That's why very rarely, okay, I mean 1 or 2% time market go to the mean threshold when price got rejected from the consequent encroachment. That is why I put my stop loss somewhere here. I don't remember where I put it, but I didn't put it above that high. I remember that I didn't put it over there, but maybe somewhere here I put my stop loss. I don't remember, whatever. So that was the entry depending on the macro or depending on the fair value gap. And then boom. Now when price was over here, I told that I want to see the big run right now. Why I was expecting the big run exactly in that candle. Why I mean, when this candle, let me just remove this one. When this candle happening, okay, this specific candle was happening, I told that I would like to see the big run right now. Why I was expecting that? The reason is, look, price curve, it went higher inside the big fair value gap. Then it came again one more time below the fair value gap. Very next candle, it went higher. That is the fake breakout. I mean, fake thinking of the price that it will go higher. After seeing these two candle, I was completely sure that market is going to break down now. It is the time. It is the time to break down. Now, when price came here, I marked this fair value gap. I don't want to see this field. Why I marked it like that way? If it is filled, fully filled, there is more probability that market will keep it unfair. I mean, keep it like that way. It will go higher, take the buy side liquidity, then later it will come here. But if it can make this gap unfilled, then there are more possibilities. Market will take this buy sell side liquidity first, then it will go higher. That's why I marked it. Okay. Later, price has actually taken the sell side liquidity, failed to come to this fair value gap. What is this fair value gap? Anybody knows about this fair value gap? This is the first fair value gap. I showed it to you. This is the breakaway gap, right? This is the breakaway gap. What price should do? It should come here. When it will come here, let me just do it. Okay. When it will come here, it should go higher. It can't go below the constant encroachment of the breakaway gap. That should be the logic. That should be the logic. Now, it will work over here. In my opinion, 50-50 chance. This is gambling. Why 50-50 chance? Because look at the price over here. When it has made this one, it went higher. It has made buy side liquidity. Buy side liquidity has taken. It went lower, very low. It came here after so many times. This is a very long period of time. From, I mean, here to here, it's a very long period of time. You don't trust this entry. I mean, just you should not trust this entry right now. You shouldn't trust. Now, if you are not going to take that entry, just let me close the entry actually. So if you don't trust this entry here, how do you take the entry? You will wait for the setup. What is the setup? It will take some liquidity, then it will give you very nice market structure shape to the fair value gap. You will take your entry. Why is it? I mean, buy side liquidity. Do you need buy side liquidity? I have lot of buy side liquidity. Very clean highs. Look over here. This high liquidity. If you want to mark those high, very clean liquidity. Their liquidity. Their liquidity. Their liquidity. So many buy side liquidity you have over there. Okay. But here you have to wait. Why? Because has to make another setup over there. When it will make another setup over there, then you will take your entry. Okay. Before that, please don't take your entry. Don't give time to the market for so long. If you give time to the market for so long, sometimes it forget the setup. Okay. It takes too long to come to this first fair value gap. Too long. Now, if it happened, I mean, if just it came here and it went higher, take all the buy side liquidity. If it doesn't make any setup over there, what will you do? You will miss the entry. Yeah, you will miss the entry. Okay. So that was the thinking process. I couldn't stop myself to talk about that. That's why I forced you guys to come one more time to my life. So I really would like to talk about this type of things. Look at this candle. It failed to came to this gap. It failed, right? When it failed, I saw it to, it didn't came here. I was expecting it will come here. Before coming here, I am not interested to take buy. Now it came to the first fair value gap. Now I am interested to take buy. But for the buy setup, I need a very clean setup. Now it has taken the sell side liquidity. If I get a very nice market structure shift or some kind of fair value gap setup, anything, okay, maybe order block or breaker, anything, then I'm interested to take buy, otherwise I'm not interested to take buy. Now brother, it came here and it started to go higher, it has taken the buy side liquidity, everything is done. You told that market will come here, okay, so it is going over there, there is no setup, we miss the trade, I don't give a okay, I mean, I'm not interested to listen to you again. If I listen to you, I miss the entry. Whatever you wanna say, you can say. I don't mind. But I am not going to take this entry here. I'm not interested at all because market takes too long over here. But brother, always we see it works like that way. Why it doesn't work like here? Why it doesn't work? Because you are gambling. Market has made the buy side liquidity, it has taken the buy side liquidity. It has done so many things above over there, then it came here. I don't know, this will hold the price or it will take the sell side liquidity, I don't know. Maybe it will go with its uh higher time frame, high time frame bias, it will go lower and take the sell side liquidity first. It can do that. Don't trust this one. Okay, so this is the time to read your message. Okay, sound is good, thank you, thank you, please disturb us. I'm disturbing, I know. Yes, and L partners. So I read your name for the first time. Yes, okay. George, great. Okay, thank you, George. Sarah Nas 100. Good morning. Good morning, Sarah. Abhinav, chill, dada. Okay, sorry. Brother, look regular hour trading 1 hourly chart. There is a huge liquidity void on sell side. Regular trading hour 1 hourly chart. Okay, let me check, brother. Regular trading hour on hourly chart. Okay, here is hourly chart. Oh man, what I told this, I talked about this yesterday, brother. Let me tell this again one more time. Okay, it's here. Look, this candle. What is this candle? This is the candle for CPI. When this candle happened at 8:30. So if you go to the regular trading hour, market closed at 5, open at 9:30. Okay, in between there is nothing. In regular trading, in between there is nothing. So market closed there, that is the opening gap. Let me go over there again one more time. Regular trading hour. So look over here, this is the closing of Friday, I mean Monday. This is the opening of Tuesday. Okay, so this is actually your opening gap. This is your opening gap. Okay, that opening gap will be triggered, but when my thinking is it will go lower, but today I was eagerly waiting to trade this gap. I was waiting to trade this gap. Okay, that is my, let me go to the 1 minute. You see this gap, this is the last 15-minute gap over here. Look at this gap. I really would like to see market will trade this gap, then it will go lower. It will go lower and it will take the sell side liquidity from here, then it will trade this CPI candle. Look at this candle, this is CPI candle, we don't count it. You have to think this is just a gap. Okay, you always have to think the candle that actually create because of the news, you have to think that candle is a gap. This is not a candle. Okay, this is just a gap. Think like that way, there is nothing. Later you will understand how to use that on, but right now just start to think that this is just a gap. I don't know what to say. Okay, just let me mark this gap. This is the last gap that should hold the price. It should hold the price before, if it failed, if this gap failed to take hold the price, then this all will be taken. This buy side liquidity, this buy side liquidity, everything will be taken. If it failed, this fair value gap failed to hold the price. Okay, if it can hold it right now, you can see it has traded this gap. Now it is trading the order block. I would love to see that price will go through this fair value gap. I would love to see that. Okay. Hafiz Ahmed, hi bro, Hafiz here from England. Oh man, you are from Britain. Welcome, brother. Brother, what is the opening gap? Opening gap is actually the closing of yesterday and the opening of today. Okay, yesterday 5 p.m. closing price and today's 9:30 a.m. opening price. The gap, that is actually the opening gap, brother. Yeah, market opening gap. Yep. Thank you, brother. No problem, Julian. Early. Uh, yeah, that 15-minute gap was what I was waiting for too. Yeah, I'm also waiting for that. And this setup was, you can say, a blessing. Okay, I was waiting for the buy, but I got this setup that is kind of blessing. I mean, I wasn't expect this setup, this clean setup. I wasn't expecting, but it happened over there. Sometimes it happens. So we sometimes we do some kind of, actually price market actually give you some kind of precision that helps you to be profitable. Okay, that will help you to be the millionaire. Trust me, brother. Okay, Sarah. So is that important or not to look for a sell side trade? So is that important or not to look for a sell side trade? I'm not looking for the sell side right now. I mean, sell setup right now. I'm looking for buy. I'm I'm pretty much sure that market will go higher. That is my thinking. That is my expectation right now. Until here, when it has made the very relatively equal lows, I was thinking market will go higher. But when I see it has made the very clean equal lows, I got sure that market will go low and take the sell side liquidity. When it has taken the sell side liquidity, I was expecting it will come to the first fair value gap. It failed to came here. So when it was going higher, I wasn't taking any buy because I wanted to see this thing here, but market failed to touch the first fair value gap. Later price came again lower, touched the first fair value gap. That's enough because the first fair value gap has traded. Now, if this fair value gap can hold the price, maybe it will come lower. It will trade this first fair value gap. Also, it will tap to the breakaway gap. Maybe, I don't know. It will happen or not. I don't know. Maybe it will do that, but I am not interested to take sell over there. Why? Because I can see very clean buy side liquidity over there. Very clean. So many buy side liquidity over there. So many retail traders, they actually sold over there. Okay, they took sell over there so many times. Now I really don't want to make them profitable. I want them to be stopped out. When they will be stopped out, when market will go higher, it will take the buy side liquidity over there, then they will be stopped out. I really would love to see that first. After that, this opening gap, I will use that opening gap as my direction. I mean, the consequent encroachment that will help me to decide where market will go. After taking the buy side liquidity, if I see this opening gap has broken, I mean, candle closed above the opening gap, I will think about this buy side liquidity. If I see market failed to close above the opening gap, then I will wait for the consequent encroachment. I mean, it came to the consequent encroachment and market candle closed below the consequent encroachment. I will think, okay, it's done its upper job. It will go to the low and take the sell side liquidity, or maybe it will trade somewhere here, whatever. That will be my thinking process. Okay, Sarah. Nasdaq so the gap. And the gap. I mean the lower gap. That is not for today. I don't think so. It will go over that today. This opening gap, I already told how to use that one. Okay. I took the same trade you took. Good to see. I'm reading the price in the same way as you. Oh man, thanks, brother. Thanks, brother. I'm feeling that I know something about the price action now because some of you also read the price action like me. So that means I know something, right? To be honest, brother, I know nothing about price action. Yeah, I saw the setup too. Okay, so more confirmation that I know how to read the price. It's so clean. Thank you, brother. I was in the bathroom. Oh, well, on the next one. Wouldn't need to take more liquidity to go way back up there. Brother, it has done its job. So look over here. It has taken this clean sell side liquidity, right? Over here. Look at this sell side liquidity. Just a second. Okay. So this low and this low, okay? So it has taken these two lows here, then it came again here, tapped to the first fair value gap. In my opinion, it has done its job to the lower part. It has done it. Now it should go higher and take the buy side liquidity now. That is my expectation right now. Why I am expecting like that way? Because just this is common sense. Use the common sense. What is this? This is kind of zone. Okay, just let. Okay, this is the zone. The retail trader, they mark it as a zone. What is this zone? This is the resistance zone. When price came to that zone, they take sell, again sell, again sell, 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 sell. Everyone sold over there. Where is their target? Look at this low. This is their target. I don't think so market will go and take that low. If it would like to take that low, it has to go above that zone one more time. Why? When you take sell over there, where is your stop loss? Above the highest high. That is there your stop loss. Okay. So what market should do? It should go higher, take the liquidity from there. Now, do you understand the thinking process? Okay. Now, when we will take our entry, look over here. After taking the sell side liquidity, there is no market structure shift. That is the only reason I didn't take buy over there. This was a very clean, very nice fair value gap. Price came to the fair value gap. Let me mark the fair value gap. Look, where price came to the consequent encroachment. It didn't even break the consequent encroachment. But I am not interested to buy here. Why? Because I didn't get the market structure shift over there. Market structure shift is kind of thing that helps you to determine market will go higher. I didn't get it over there. Now, if you mark this one, it has taken actually the sell side liquidity over there, right? This is your sell side liquidity has taken over there. Is that high eligible to shift in market structure? In my opinion, yeah, you can mark it as your shift in market structure. You can mark that. Okay. And in the meantime, this is the fair value gap that should hold the price and send it back to the low. If it fails to hold the price, in the meantime, if it can break that high, the high of the fair value gap, that is kind of confirmation market is going higher. That I will wait for that. I will wait a candle will close above this fair value gap, above this fair value gap. I will wait for that. I am not going to take an entry by watching the market structure shift and the fair value gap. I am not going to take any buy over there because I don't know this fair value gap will hold the price or not. All of we know, every logic is telling us market is going higher, but we need the confirmation. Without confirmation, if you just guess it that market is going higher and it is going to take that buy side liquidity, that's gambling. And why that is not profitable for us? Why gambling is not profitable for us? Because market will go over there. We know that market will go over there and take the buy side liquidity. But when it will go over there, do you know? I don't know. Maybe it will reject from there, it will take the sell side liquidity again, then it will go higher and take the buy side liquidity. It can do that easily. It can do that. That is why you need some kind of confirmation when this candle will close above this fair value gap. That means this fair value gap failed. It failed to hold the price. Market is telling me, oh brother, I'm going higher. Look, where did it close? Look closely. Where did it close? Above this fair value gap. So market is now telling me that brother, I'm going higher. Don't take sell. I'm going higher. Please don't take sell. Now you can use this fair value gap so many way. I have already taught you how to use the fair value gap. You can take that way. You can use just let me remove this one and this fair value gap. The 22 YT model. You can use that one as well. It's up to you. Okay. Here, or you can whatever. It's up to you. The way you would like to take the entry, you can take the entry in that way. But now you are going to push your button to your live account. If you do that, you can do that. I don't know you will take a loss or you will take a profit. If you take I mean, if you push your button depending on my analysis, risk is yours. Okay, I don't know where market will go. I'm telling you, I know nothing about price action. I'm telling you, brother. So be careful, don't push your button. You are here to learn. I'm not going to give you some kind of signal because I know nothing about price action, to be honest, brother. You are most welcome, Sarah. S and L partners. Okay, I see. Thanks. Okay, no problem, SNN. Crazy. Will you go through few forex pairs, brother? I was in the morning. The Euro USD. But to be honest, brother, I really don't want to. I mean, I don't like forex because of its manipulation. The manipulation over there, I really don't like that. That is the only reason I don't go to forex. Sorry, brother. But I will go there when sometimes I go to forex. Body price are in the range. Yeah, prices are in the range. I believe that price is in the range, but in my opinion, it has done its job over there. That is my opinion. It has done its job over there. But if it would like to go higher, this is the time. This is the perfect time it should go higher. Without this time, it can't go higher. So, in my opinion, this is the perfect time to go higher. Let's see actually if it can go higher or not. But okay, now what is the perfect entry for today? Which entry we should take? In my opinion, this is the only entry we should take. We got the perfect 22 YT model over there. We got the consequent encroachment rejection and the lower part trade over there. We had the very clean sell side liquidity over there. So this entry was perfect in my opinion. How many handle over there? Check actually. It was near about 32 handle, man. 32 handle. It's not small, it's huge, man, huge. So in my opinion, that was the perfect entry for today, and it's going to take the buy side liquidity. If you think this is perfect entry, I am not agree with you, because if I would see this thing happened inside the first fair value gap, maybe it tapped to the top of the breakaway gap, that would be more perfect for me. That would be more perfect. Although we know it is going higher, it is going to take the buy side liquidity, but this is not a perfect setup. Look at this market structure shift, that swing high, look at that, very small wick. This is kind of forcing market to give me the setup. Okay, it is forcing. I am forcing market to give me the market structure shift. I am forcing it. Okay, market didn't give me the perfect setup, but I am forcing it to give me the perfect setup. That is the reason we see this. Look at this week. Okay, it came so far from here to here, came here. Just let me actually make it more clean. Look at the week, it came here. Why did it came here? Because this is not perfect setup. This is not perfectly precise price action. If it was precise price action, this week couldn't come over here. Now if you take this entry, for example, if you would like to take this entry, now some of you will be angry on me. Oh brother, I don't like you shit. You will be angry on me. This will be your entry, this will be your stop loss, this will be your target. Okay, so it's near about 1 is to 1.5. Some of you will get angry on me. Oh brother, I don't like this thing. You have very low risk reward ratio, and I'm happy. I'm happy with that. Though this is not perfect setup. Now look over here. How was my risk reward ratio? You guys really love to actually mark the risk reward ratio, right? How much was that? Oh man, 1 is to 3.3. Huge. It's huge. So I don't really care about this risk reward ratio. I don't like this. I care about this thing. 32 handle. It's huge for me because I'm gonna earn near about 1200. Yeah, something like that. $1200 over there. So that's the thing I really care about. Here, stop loss. I don't care. I'm not going to take a losing trade. Okay. Let's see one yellow. What temp is it? The C, this is the opening gap consequent encroachment, brother. The opening gap consequent encroachment is the over there, and all of these are actually the buy side liquidity. Let me mark it as buy side liquidity. This is also buy side liquidity. There is the buy side liquidity. Everything is over there. Okay. Price came here. I mean, it break the low. It came here till now. Look over here. No fair value gap setup over here. Okay. Only the normal setup. I mean, the tech sell side liquidity market structure shift fair value gap entry. Look at the bodies over there. Look at the bodies. Where did it close? Inside this fair value gap. Let me just remove this one. Where the bodies close? Inside this fair value gap. Weak, it did damage. Always weak did damage. I don't see the wicks, I see the bodies. Bodies tells you the story. This is the story. It is telling you that no man, I'm not gonna go lower. I would love to go and take the buy side liquidity. If you ask me, brother, would you take this entry to your live account? I will never take this one. Why don't you take that entry? It is very clean. It is actually broken this last fair value gap. Then it has given you market structure shape, fair value gap. Everything was perfect. Then why didn't you take that entry? The only reason is this week. Look at this candle's week. Look, just a second. Okay, look at the week. Very small week. If this week was like here, okay, the week was over here. Let me actually do that. Just think, it was over there. If this week was over here and I got my market structure shift over there, okay, if it was like that, okay, that week was there, then this was the perfect setup for me. This was the perfect setup for me. I would take that entry. I would take that entry for sure. But because of this very small week, I'm not going to take that entry. I don't like this entry. That is the only reason I'm not interested to take that entry. Okay. Whatever. Crazy. S and L, brother. Are you? I mean, is this your first time to my life? Are the long weeks are not something like immediate rebalance, something bullish in the Caesar? Okay. What is immediate rebalance? Let me actually show you the immediate rebalance. I saw an immediate rebalance. Where was that? Just give me some times. Okay, I'm gonna show you the immediate rebalance. Mm, I saw it, man. I saw it. Just a second, give me sometimes. Oh man, where was it? Okay, let it go. The immediate rebalance is something like this. Okay, this candle happened, right? This is a very, let me remove this one, and let me look at this candle right over here. And I should show it to you. Was that from 50-minute chart? Eh? Nah. Okay, I got it. I got it, man. I got it. So lucky. Look over here. Look at this candle. That was immediate rebalance. Okay, price has taken the buy side liquidity. Very nice market structure shift. Price came to this gap, fair value gap. It came lower. Look at this candle. When this candle happened, the very next candle it went higher and came lower. Look at this candle. Okay, it went higher, it came lower. This is immediate rebalance. If your what to say, if your bias is telling you that market will go lower, and if you get the setup over there like that way, after that when you will see this type of run, the candle will immediately rebalance your fair value gap. The very next candle will go lower. Very next candle it should go lower. And actually we got two candle. After two candle we got the run. But I was expecting this run will happen to that candle, that bull candle. I was expecting this bear run will happen to that bull candle. But it is what it is. Sometimes one two candle you have to sacrifice. Okay. So this is the immediate rebalance. Look at this candle. This is immediate rebalance. Okay. I hope you will get my point. I am expecting very big run right now. Very big run. Not kind of Mickey Mouse move. Just it will come here and boom, something like this. Okay, I'm expecting like that way. If it would like to go higher, then the the big run will come right now. 926, 926. Oh, what is over there, brother? 926. Yeah. 926. Right. OV. Sorry, man. I missed your message. It rebalance a previous candle instead of leaving a favorable. Okay, thanks very much. Yeah, something like this. When this is a big candle, right? Comparing with other candles, that was a very big candle. Then this candle started to go higher. When it was going higher, everyone is going to. This is fully traded. This candle is fully traded. This is rebalanced, repriced, uh, what to say, redelivered. Everything is done over there. Okay, because of this candle, it went higher, it went lower. There was buyer, there was seller. So this is immediate rebalance. I don't know how to tell. I mean, how to make that more clear. This is not expecting. I want some kind of big run now, very big run, not the Mickey Mouse move. This is not expected. This is not fake breakout. You can see it was fake breakout, something like that. But when price came here, that confirms that market should go higher. This thing actually confirmed market should go higher. Okay, so I'm expecting some kind of big run right now. It has done its job over there. Everything has done over there. Now it's what the okay. Okay, I will read you later. So it has done its job over there. It should go higher now, and with a very big run. Not this type of Mickey Mouse move. I really would like to see candle will come and it will take all of this buy side liquidity. This buy side liquidity, okay, not this one. This all of this buy side liquidity. That is expectation right now from the market. I want to see that. I will move this one. I don't want more candle over there. Was there anything else very important? Nothing. This low shouldn't be broken as it has traded the consequent investment, I believe. No, it didn't. Whatever. You see, this type of things, it happened when I don't get some kind of very precise price action. If it traded this low very clearly, if that was a very nice market structure shift, I wouldn't expect this type of Mickey Mouse move or consolidation over there. I was expected it will just came to this fair value gap, it will go higher. I was expected that. Like I told you, I'm expecting very big move, big move right there. It should give me the big move over there, but it is not going to give it to me. Instead of that, look at this. It has made this sell side liquidity. You see, this very clean sell side liquidity. It shouldn't make this type of sell side liquidity. That is kind of thing that will hold price to go up. This type of things. Why? Market can do this type of things. It can came here, take this sell side liquidity first, then it will go there. It can do this type of things. You see this run I was expecting over here. At that candle, I was expecting this run at that candle because it has done its job over there. This was the fake breakout. Everyone was thinking market is going lower, so they take sell over there. Then very next candle went higher again. Then it it should just break everything over there. That should be the expectation, but it is what it is. And let's see how market actually worked over there. Okay, this is all everything you have to understand now. If you see this setup didn't work, okay, maybe it didn't go above there and didn't take the buy side liquidity. What do you think? It doesn't work? Obviously it works. It has already done its job over there after 9:30. That was its job. You were reading the price from everywhere over there, and if you get this type of clean setup, that is your job that has done over there. You shouldn't take every setup. You shouldn't take it. You can read the price and how it is reacting over there. You can see that, but you can't take every setup. This setup you shouldn't take. You shouldn't take it. Look, it has taken the sell side liquidity. See, it has taken the sell side liquidity. Wait, okay, let me show you. Look at this lows. Okay, it has taken by that candle. Now it can go higher. There are more possibilities now. It can go higher. More possibilities. Why? It has again made the buy side liquidity over there. Very clean buy side liquidity. So many things is happening over there. This is also the consolidation. Very nice consolidation. And some people are buying here. Some people are selling over there. Okay. So let's see what happened. We are waiting. I think I got it. Okay, Remises, thank you, brother. If you get it, I'm very happy. Anybody has any more question? I would love to reply. Did I say that I'm gonna waste 30 more minutes from you? If I told that, then I'm gonna end the session from today. Let me check. Actually, I was thinking I will write down. Uh, give me 30 minutes. Yeah, I wrote it down over there. I need 30 more minutes. So I think I have already passed 30 minutes. Let me check actually. Oh, it's 52 minutes. Guys, I really want some likes from you. I mean, give me some likes. I will let you go. I mean, I will just complete the session from today. This is the time it should take the buy side liquidity, as it has taken the sell side liquidity from there. It should go above and take the buy side liquidity right now. Right now. Right now. Now or never. Now or never. Something like this. Now it will go or never. No problem, Hafiz. You can go on. I can go on, man. Oh. No, it's slow price action. I don't like this type of price action. It's the time it should go higher, now or never. This type of things right now. But if it failed, then I will be angry. What is the long-term view? Will index drop to October lows? Long-term view, market will go lower only because of this fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Let me show you. Only because of this fair value gap from 15-minute chart, I am expecting price will go higher only because of this fair value gap. There is no other reason I expect price will go lower. This is the fair value gap that should be traded before going lower. After trading that, we have this sell side liquidity. We have so many sell side liquidity below the market. Okay, so many sell side liquidity. So my long-term bias is bearish. Right now, I'm expecting market will go higher and take this buy side liquidity and trade this 15-minute fair value gap. That is the only reason I'm expecting higher run. There's no other reason, brother. Okay. You see, Remy just told me that I can go on. Oh man. What is it? Okay, Sarah. Thanks, brother. And you are not wasting my time. Okay, thanks, Sarah. First again, thanks, brother. You are most welcome. So, guys, I really want to stay until it is clean. As I told you that it should clean, and I want to write it down that I'm always right. Okay. So give me that time. I will write it down. I'm always right. Then I will leave you. Okay. I love to write it down. Anybody has any confusion about the market price action? Okay, someone will tell you whether this is sloppiness. Do you think this is sloppiness? I don't think so. This is sloppiness. This is very clean price action. Very clean price action over there. It can't be more cleaner like than this. Okay? That is my belief. Okay. So it has already taken the buy side liquidity. Now you can say Why, brother? It didn't take the liquidity. No, liquidity means at the level or above the level. Okay, when it will touch the level, this level, when it will touch, the liquidity has already taken. It doesn't need to go above the line. It doesn't need to go over there. Okay, remember, guys, this is very important. Also very important. So when you will target, you have to target at the level, not above the level. Okay, because you can see market actually touch the level and then it went lower. You can see that most of so many times I saw market touch the level and then it went lower, or otherwise. Okay, other way. Now it will go higher now because it will take this buy side liquidity as well. That is my belief. But this is the thing, it can happen sometimes. I mean, it will touch the level and then it will reverse. Okay, so it is what it is. And let me actually mark the thing. It was near about 17 handle. I am not curious, I mean interested to take that 17 handle. It is going and take this buy side liquidity. I believe it will go and trade take this buy side liquidity as well. That is my belief. I'm not telling that market will do that. That is my belief. I expect that. That is my thinking. Okay, I'm not telling to take entries or push your button. If you do that, that is kind of disrespect. Please don't disrespect me. That is my okay. Okay, gazette, treasures. No, brother, I, I don't give signal. I'm actually wasting some time of my some of my friends. Okay, brother, I am not going to give any signal, and I really don't know how to trade. Okay, brother, I'm very sorry. I don't give signal, brother. For giving signal, I need to learn something first. Uh, I'm actually trying to learn. Okay, all of us here we are learning. Okay, guys. I hope I will write it down and I will. I'm always right. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope, guys, you got this insightful. Please, before leaving, give me some likes and then you can leave. If any of you are new, you can subscribe to my channel. I am little bit helpful, brother, useful for you, to be honest. So it's up to you now. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like. That's all for today. See you guys. Ta-da.